wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z,
from east to west,
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again.
Now kids, you're probably wondering why Olivia and I have these weird hats on. Well, today we'll have an activity planned for you.
Yay, activity!
And it's called the Headball Game. For that, we need a hat like this and 3 balls. Olivia, what type of balls do you have over there?
I have 2 balls. One of them is yellow, and the other one is green.
And I have a blue ball. Do you see that? So our hat is blue and green, and now let's throw the ball at each other. See, for each of the colors, you have different points. For blue, it's 50 points, and for green, it's 100 points, because that's harder to hit. So, Olivia, do you want to see if you can beat me in this game?
Yeah, I want to try and win! First the blue one. That flew right over his head.
Okay.
Okay, let's try the yellow one. Aw, that hit his cheek. Okay, lucky green one, don't fail me now. Oh, at least I got something.
Wow, that was a good throw. Look at that. You got 50 points. Not bad, sister.
Yay!
Now it's my turn. I'm going to throw the yellow ball first. Ready?
Ready?
Woohoo! I hit you! I got 50 points!
Oh, you're so good at this game, Noah.
I think so too. Okay, next one. I think I'm gonna throw the green ball. Let me see if I can hit green again. I hit green!
Wow, Noah, you're so far ahead of me now.
So let me see if I can hit 3 in a row. The yellow, the green, and now the blue. 1, 2, 3. Yay! I hit them all! Woo!
Look how the balls look on my head. It's like a fun hat, don't you think? I like it.
That's pretty funny. Not bad. So now it's your turn. Now you need to do the same thing as I did.
Okay, I'm going to take the green one, the yellow one off my head and aim it for you. Woohoo!
Nice throw, sister.
Now I got to take the green one off my head and make another throw. Woohoo!
Whoa, 2 in a row. Can you hit 3 in a row as well?
I'm gonna try. Oh dear. Oh, that didn't make it.
I won this round. I got 3 in a row and you got 2 in a row.
Yeah, you won this round again.
Good job. Maybe you can do it next time. Let me collect the balls again. Well, only the blue one. The others I'll take off. Let me get the blue one. One moment.
Okay. Yeah, I want to try and win this one. We gotta try harder.
Now it's my turn again. Woohoo!
Okay.
This time I'm going to start with the blue one first. Hold on. Yay!
Good job. Woo, good job. You've got 50 points.
I think I'm getting better and better at this. Okay, next one. Now the yellow ball. Yay! How many points are that?
it's 100 points plus your 50 points, so you've got 150 points.
Woohoo! And now, last one, green one. Can I do it again? 3 in a row?
That hit my head, but it didn't stick.
Too bad. Okay, let's collect the balls again. It's your turn.
Okay, I'm back.
Good job. You still have 2 balls on your head.
They're easier to carry on my head than in my hands.
Okay, well, it's your turn now.
Okay, here I go.
Woo! You hit me.
Yay!
You just got 50 points.
Yay! Woo! Aww.
Oh, that missed. That hit my arm.
Okay, last one. Yellow ball, do me right.
No,
Aww.
that didn't hit me. That just passed me.
Oh, I keep losing. Oh.
Don't worry, you'll do better next time.
Okay.
Are you ready, Olivia? I collected all the balls and now it's my turn again.
Yes, I'm ready.
The blue ball first. Ready,
Yep.
set, go. Yay! I hit it.
Wow, another 100. Oh.
That counts, doesn't it?
It does. Mhm.
Okay, so next one is... I'll take the green one. Green, I think, is my lucky color. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I hit you again!
50 more points.
Okay, now, let's see. I have one more ball left. Can I do it again? Can I do it again? Okay, concentration. Focus. Where's my target? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I did it again!
Wow, another 100. You got 250 points this time.
Woohoo! La 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 la. Okay, now it's your turn, Olivia. Can you make 300 points?
I'm gonna try.
You hit 100 points!
Yay!
Now it's your turn again. You hit another 100 points.
Ooh, I might have a chance this time. Woo!
Points! Woohoo! Go, sisters! High
Yay!
five! Good job!
Thank you. I am very, very happy. Whee! I finally won 300 whole points.
The last game?
One more, your turn.
Okay, one more round.
Let me go get the ball that fell.
Yeah, thank you. I have yellow and blue right here. Here's my yellow ball, and here's my blue ball.
I'm getting the green.
Oh, thanks, Olivia. You've got my green ball here. I'll start with this one first, because that's my lucky ball. Are you ready?
I'm coming.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
100 points.
Woohoo! Let me get my yellow ball. You think I can hit 100 again?
Maybe. Good luck.
2, 3. Oh no!
That one hit me, but it didn't stick.
Okay, here's my blue one. Let's see if I can make it this time. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Oh, what did you do?
I moved my head too vigorously, and the ball fell off. Mhm.
Olivia, what does vigorously mean?
It means very fast, very fast, and super fast.
Oh, doesn't that hurt?
Yes, I regret that.
Okay, so let's collect the balls, and I will move vigorously, and let's see if you can hit me.
Okay.
Okay, to make it harder this time, I'm going to move my head vigorously.
Okay.
Hit me.
Okay. Oh dear.
What? Oh,
I go then.
I'm gonna move my head vigorously.
Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Haha, you didn't hit me. You missed.
Okay, my last ball.
Go for it.
Oop-da.
Hit me again. No! Oh, I lost my hat.
You lost your hat. That means I win.
Oops. Well, I guess that's it for today, kids. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
If you like what you see on Dream Again,
Please hit the subscribe button
like us.
and comment below.
Thanks.